Hi, my name is Raquel Lieberman, and I'm a professor at the School of Chemistry and Biochemistry at Georgia Tech in Atlanta. And I'd like to give you a little overview of my research program. My lab is generally interested in the intersection of biochemistry, molecular biophysics, and structural biology. We have a number of different exciting projects going on in the lab, all of which sort of fall under the umbrella of protein folding, structure, and misfolding. One of the major projects in the lab deals with this protein myocilin, which is found in the front part of your eye and is associated with glaucoma. In this project, we are trying to understand the structure, what happens when the protein does not adopt that correct structure, and what we can do about it to improve the outcomes for folks who have inherited mutations leading to glaucoma. In the second research thrust, we are interested in intramembrane proteolysis, the process by which peptides get cleaved in the hydrophobic lipid membrane. We're interested in homologs of these proteins to understand the interplay between the lipid membrane, the substrate, and the enzyme that gives the outcome of proteolysis in this water-depleted regime. In the third research area, we are interested in understanding better the enzyme acid beta glucosidase, a peripheral membrane protein that is associated both with Gaucher disease and with Parkinson disease. We're interested in both how the enzyme functions in great detail to act on its sphingolipid substrate, as well as the role of certain mutations in conferring increased susceptibility to Parkinson disease. Finally, we have a number of active collaborations with research groups within and outside of Georgia Tech to complement our core research activities. Right now, my lab has 6 graduate students, 2 research scientists, and 1 postdoc, as well as a lab technician. And we are a very dynamic and diverse group doing lots of really cool research. So I encourage you to get in touch with me if you'd like to learn more about the research projects, and I hope you have a good visit here at Georgia Tech.